My name is Gina Harrison. I'm a senior financial analyst at Dayforce. Dayforce is a global human capital management software company, and we're headquartered out of Minneapolis, Minnesota. We went public in 2018, and since we were still growing exponentially each year, a lot of people on our team had different Excel spreadsheets going on. Since we're a global company, every time we acquired a new company, they would have a separate system that they would be using, and we really didn't have one source of truth. So it was really difficult to have reliable data that we felt confident in and that we felt like we could rely on, and that was accurate. We finally chose OneStream to be our one source of truth because we had different teams such as tax, external reporting, SEC reporting requirements, internal management reporting that decided on OneStream because it could do all of these different areas of our business. Within OneStream, we use planning, consolidation, reporting, and account reconciliations. My favorite thing about OneStream is just the flexibility and the user friendliness. With me not having a very technical background, I'm still able to run a quick view every time I have a question on what is behind a certain number or a certain variance, and I feel like I'm able to give an answer to people really quickly. The biggest value add back to the company is just the time that it has saved us and the reliability and accuracy of the data. Since we're able to rely on it and know that it's accurate, when it came to our target setting that we do every fall, having our mid-range plan in place already that we were able to create using OneStream's extensible dimensionality, it took about a month off of our target setting process. So that was a huge time saver. We were able to reduce our monthly close down to 5 days. That was a huge improvement.
We have roughly 100 users. We have roughly 10 people in SEC reporting, about 30 people in FP&A, about 50 people in accounting, and 5 people in IT. Everything in OneStream is all ready to go for anybody that wants to pull it. Previously, we had one person you could ask what margin was. Now anybody can go in a tool and say, give me margin. So now we're going from hours to seconds.
We can now use that time on more value-added items, such as looking at variances and what is causing these variances, talking to business partners, being able to spend more time doing the value-add work as opposed to the tedious work